Okay, ma'am. So today we'll discuss the updated syllabus. Okay, revised syllabus for upcoming academic year. Wait a minute, I will show you the PDF. Based on in this syllabus only for you board exam. Some area we completed advance also. It is no problem. It is important for the competitive exam. I will show you your board syllabus. One second. So this is your revised syllabus, ma'am. Class 12th. See here. Revised physics syllabus. Paper code 042. Academic year 2021. Class 12th syllabus. One second. It is class 12th. 70 mark theoretical. Chapter number 1, 2, 3, 16 marks. 4, 5, 6, 7, 17 marks. 8, 9, 10, 18 marks. Chapter number 11, 12, 13, 12 marks. Chapter number 14, 7 marks. The mark distribution, it is common. There is no changes. Only syllabus somewhat different. First lesson, the Gauss law application, infinity long wire, uniformly charged, infinity plane sheet. That spherical shell, it is removed. Okay. Second chapter, electric potential, potential difference, conductor, dielectric polarization, capacitance, parallel plate capacitor, without the energy storing capacitor. In this chapter, there is no changes. Electric cell. For in this one, chapter number 3, internal resistance, potential difference, EMF and cell, combination of cells in series, parallel, Kirchhoff law, Wheatstone bridge. Resistance in series and parallel, it is not there. Capacitor in series and parallel, it is there. Resistance, it is not there. Resistance in series and parallel. Potential, compare the EMF, only quantitative ideas. Now in this chapter, ray optics, reflection of light, total internal reflection, optical fiber, lens maker formula, magnification, power of lens, combination of lens, refraction light through a prism. Now we want to discuss the microscope, astronomical telescope. Only 2 topics, ma'am. This 2 topic completed means 9th chapter is over. So next we go for 10th chapter and 11th chapter. 10 and 11 over means, so we completed volume 2. And the practical. So a record of at least 8 experiments, each section 4. Under activity, 6 activity, each section 3. See here, 8 two practical experiment, record note, no need to project mark. Viva and experiment activity 7 marks. Practical record note 7 marks. 2 experiment purpose, each one of each. Let's say 8 plus 8 marks. Viva and the activity 7 marks. Okay. So we completed as per the new updated syllabus practical mark. Practical syllabus it is over. So I think so you can understand very well. Now we go for subject. Okay. So next one, only 2 topics in this chapter. Compound microscope, another one telescope. In this 2 topics, it's over means chapter number 9, it is completed. Okay. Compound microscope. What is the purpose of microscope? Why we are using microscope in our day-to-day life? Give me reply through the chat box. Why we are using microscope? Yeah, see, very small object, tiny particle. Very good. Yeah, very small things. The microparticle, like a bacteria, virus, and any other small insect also does. This and all we are saying using microscope. Okay, in this microscope, that one processing video I will show you after now. First, we will complete the basic idea about compound microscope and telescope. Second. Listen. Diagram is very important. 2.5 mark only for diagram. First, I will explain all the diagram oriented. Next, we will discuss the remainder things. Okay. Compound microscope. We are using 2 convex lens. This is the lens 1. This is lens 2. See that one is a very small size, one is a very big size. So which is very small? Objective. Objective means nearby object. Nearby object is called as objective lens. Otherwise objectives. Nearby lens it is very small. So how to remember? Already said microscope is the purpose of finding the very small things. Object is small, so we are using the lens also very small. It is a small lens. Next, eyepiece. Compared to objective, eyepiece is big size. Eyepiece means nearby eye. Eye focusing point is in this area. It is the eyepiece. Listen, we know that the between F to 2F. I will place an object between F to 2F. Then I will get image behind the 2F. Behind the 2F. and enlarged image. Became the 2f and the enlarged image. Kindly refer the convex lens object position, image position, nature and size. The table. Always remember the table. Max table like that. This is lens table and mirror table. This is an object place between 2f0 and 2f1. Okay, then where is the image position? Behind the 2f. This is the behind the 2f. And what is the size? Enlarged size. For example, object size 1 centimeter means I will get image that is a 5 centimeter. Approximately I am saying. Next condition. For second lens, it is this is the first lens. First lens is wow. Now second lens L2. Now in this L2, this is the pole. This is the focus. Now you tell me between pole to focus. I will place object between pole to focus. Between pole to focus means I will get Betchwall image. Enlarged and Betchwall image. This is 1 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. After I will get approximately 10 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is extended 10 centimeter. In lens, microscope it is no, in microscope they will mark like a 10C or mark x into 100, x into 500, like that it is there. If you have any doubt, kindly refer. So this is the basic process now. First lens, I will place the object between 2f and f. Then I will get the image in real and inverted image. It will form behind the 2f E. E means eyepieces. Okay. Now second lens between pole to focus. That virtual real image it is no. First lens image. This is for object. Second lens. So that I will get virtual and enlarged image same side. This one I am seeing here using the eyepieces. This is the process for compound microscope. It is clear for you. I will go for next. Up to that, any doubt? Okay. Now one by one we discuss. First one, objective. So objective means what? The converging lens, the near to object. Second one, eyepiece, converging lens. Converging means convex lens, through which the final image is seen. It is called as eyepieces. The both are short focal length. The focal length of eyepiece is slightly greater than the objective. The focal length of eyepiece, it is slightly greater than objective, and aperture, objective aperture is small, eyepiece aperture is greater, large. Next, we want to find the angular magnification. Angular magnification or magnifying power. Angular magnification and magnification power. Magnification formula, m equal to m1 into m2 into mg. That is the product of m. Okay, this derivation part we'll discuss next class. No? It will take time. First, you understand the concept and note the formulas alone. Next class, I will teach you the derivation. And the magnification formula, m equal to v naught by u naught 1 plus d by fe, one formula, and another formula m equal to minus L by f naught, 1 plus d fe. What is L? L is denoted tube length of the tube. How do measure the tube length means? See here. In this length to this much distance, no? This is V naught. V naught plus Fe. It is the length of the tube. And normal adjustment m value minus L by Fe into d by f. D means least distance distribution. The value of d 25 centimeters. The value of d 25 centimeters. Okay, next one, the astronomical telescope. Astronomical, we want to see large distance object like a sun, star, moon, or any other solar system. Also, we are seeing using astronomical telescope. So, astronomical telescope, the difference, see the difference. Objectives, it is a greater. The aperture is a very greater compared to eyepieces. Now you know very well. We are seeing an object at infinity. Where is the point? This is the focus. The image at the focus. Now between pole to in this focus, same place. We are placing the second lens also same at the focus. Then image at the infinity. So this is the condition. See, tube length formula, L formula, FO plus FE. FO means what? First lens to objective lens to focus. FE, second lens, eyepieces focal length. Both together you will get L. FO plus FE. That is an astronomical telescope. The focal length of the objective is greater than eyepieces. The aperture of objective is always large to allow more light passes through it. That two condition. And you want to say the uses of astronomical telescope. Next formula, M formula, magnification formula, minus F naught by Fe. This is LDDV. LDDV means least distance to vision. Before we referred, that is the infinity. This is LDDV. Telescope is two type. It is one is a refraction telescope, another one reflection telescope. This is a refraction telescope. Using lens, refraction. Using mirror, it is reflection. That track we will discuss after. Now you can understand the basic concept of compound microscope, astronomical telescope. Now final image formed at LDDV, least distance vision. Now see here, the difference it is there now. Where I place the object, that is the second lens, eyepieces. Place the object, see here, between Fe to optical center. Between. So in this time, I will get virtual image and enlarged virtual image. So this is the enlarged virtual image. 42 derivation it is there. That two derivation also we'll discuss next class. Okay. If you have any doubt related to what is common microscope, what is astronomical telescope, concept wise, you can ask now. M formula, M equal to minus F naught by Fe into 1 plus Fe by D. M is magnification of the lenses. So this is a reflection or reflecting type telescope, Newtonian telescope, using the plane mirror and a concave mirror. Diagram enough and the formula it is enough for you. Derivation is not there. Only refraction type only derivation. That one we'll discuss next class. Okay. Plane mirror. It is a formation Newton's telescope, reflecting type telescope. Using concave mirror and the plane mirror also. Concave mirror nature, it is a converging nature. We are using object from infinity, that light from the star. It will point here in the concave mirror. It is a converging nature. In between converging, I will place the object. After the conversion process, I will get the eyepieces. Then I will get the image. This is one more method. That mechanism, I will show you the video. Total internal reflection completed. This is not there. Concave convex lens, mirror, lens maker formula. In this derivation part also completed. Prism completed. From natural phenomenon due to sunlight. Rainbow, this is not there now. Now we are discussing in this one. My optical instrument, microscope. That is a compound microscope, simple microscope. Next, telescope. Reflection type telescope. That's only derivation part. So tomorrow I will complete the derivation. Don't miss the class. Okay. Take care. Bye. Thank you.